at the doctor office.
Hello, Emma. How are you feeling today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a headache.
Oh, I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever too.
How long? Since yesterday?
Yes, since yesterday.
Okay, open your mouth, please. I see. You have a small infection. Don't worry, it is not serious.
Oh, okay. Can I take medicine?
Yes, I will give you medicine. Take it 2 times a day, in the morning and at night.
2 times a day, morning and night. Okay, I understand.
Drink a lot of water and rest at home.
Yes, doctor. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, Emma. Feel better soon.
Ordering food at a restaurant. Hello, welcome to our restaurant. My name is Tom. I am your waiter today.
Hello, Tom. Thank you. It is a nice restaurant.
Thank you. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I see the menu?
Of course, here is the menu.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
Do you have any questions about the menu?
Yes. What is the soup today?
Today we have tomato soup. It is very good.
Oh, I like tomato soup. I will have the tomato soup, please.
Okay, and for the main dish?
I think I will have the pasta, please.
Good choice. And what would you like to drink?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course, water. Okay, anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Okay, soup, pasta, and water. I will be right back.
Thank you, Tom.
Check in at an airport.
Hello, good morning. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I want to check in. My name is Emma. Emma Johnson.
Okay. Can I see your passport, please?
Oh, yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you, Emma. Where are you going today?
I am going to London.
Okay. Do you have one bag?
Yes, I have one bag. This one.
Perfect. Your bag is fine. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What is my gate?
Your gate is gate 7.
Gate 7. Okay, I see. And what time is the flight?
Your flight is at 11:30.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight, Emma.
Passport control. Hello, passport, please.
Hello, here is my passport.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm alone.
Okay, everything is good. Have a good trip.
Thank you.
Job interview. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma. Emma Johnson.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Emma. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, of course. My name is Emma. I am 26 years old. I am from London.
I see. And what is your job? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English. I work with children.
Oh, that is very nice. How long are you a teacher?
I'm a teacher for 3 years.
Okay, good. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak English, and I speak a little Spanish.
Very good, Emma. Talking about hobbies.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
Good morning, Lily. I am fine. Thank you. And you?
I am good. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. I read every day. And I like drawing. I draw pictures at home.
Oh, that is nice. I see. Do you draw every day?
No, not every day. I draw on weekends. I really enjoy it.
I see. What about the weekends? What are your plans for this weekend?
This weekend, I want to go to the park. I like walking in the park. It is very relaxing.
Oh, I like walking too. Can I come with you?
Of course, I am happy to walk with you.
Great. What time do you want to go?
Maybe at 10 o'clock in the morning. Is that okay?
Yes, that is perfect.
Good. We can walk and talk. It will be fun.
Yes, I love spending time outside. It makes me happy.
Me too. I feel good when I'm in the park. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.